I've tried everything from fix a flat to installing a tire tube and a spray foam. But the spray foam actually worked on my other wheel. But today I'm not playing around. I'm tired of this tire going flat, so I bought a new tire and a new rim for $58. You can get one from your local hardware store if they even have one in stock. Or use the Amazon link in the video description down below. First thing you want to do is jack up your lawnmower. The next thing you want to do is pop off the black rubber boot with a hairdryer or heat gun, something that's going to allow it to be flexible. Next, you want to pop off the ring. Next, number 4, you want to pull the wheel off the axle. Lubricating might be necessary with some PB Blaster, some WD-40, or maybe even some Crawl. Number 5, put on a new wheel. You want to take this bushing and stick it on here. Then you want to try to figure out which one of these two will fit. This will go on the front of the wheel. Just push that bushing in there like that. You might have to take something to level it in there. Flip this over, and you'll see on this tire you've got a distance here and a distance here. On this wheel you don't have a distance, but you do have a distance on this side. So this is where you got to try to figure out which one of these is going to fit right. So I got my bushing on there. I'm going to stick this one in. It's the longer one. I'm going to slide this on here. And it don't even come close inside here to be able to get to that point to be able to lock it in, okay? So now we're going to stick the smaller one on. This is a grease fitting. Stick a smaller one on. Slide it on. Now I've got room right here. After I put these 2 washers on and this lock ring, it'll work right. Number 6, put on the snap ring. Number 7, put on the rubber boot. My wife is going to kill me. Number 8, check the tire pressure. And bam-bitty bam bam, you are done. You have installed the tire and the wheel for your riding lawnmower right here. Check it out. There's nothing left for you to do but to cut grass. So y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Share it if you need to. Y'all have a good one now, and you come back, girl.